Hi, everybody. So we're going to be going over SMART goals in class now that you have had a chance to see the results from your survey. So first of all, this is due September 6th on Canvas. Make sure you turn it in through Canvas. So a quick fact, it's really important to say your goals out loud because then others can help you get started on that path. And it helps you to take action when you share your goal with other people. So think back in time. Last week, what did you say that your goals were for this school year? Okay, so now that we have thought about what those goals were that you jotted down, we're going to be talking about exactly what a SMART goal is. So SMART goals are specific, they're measurable, they're actionable, which means you can actually do them, they're realistic, and they're timely. And there is a quick video that you can watch about what a SMART goal is more in detail, which is available under the offline resources for students in Google Drive. So here is another graphic of what a SMART goal is. Again, specific, measurable, attainable, relevant or realistic, it's a synonym, and time-based or timely, another synonym. And attainable and actionable are also synonyms. So different words, same acronym. So SMART goal student example. This is just for you to get an idea of what a SMART goal actually would look like. So for instance, by May 2021, I will read 1,000 pages. I will reach my goal by reading at least 50 pages a week. And I chose this goal because I need to become a better reader. Okay? So now it'll be your turn to create your own SMART goal. So it can either be a reading goal or a writing goal. It has to be specific to one of those two for your school year in English Language Arts. And this all is also available on Canvas. There is an optional template, which by blank, when I will blank what, and I will reach my goal by doing what every how often. And I chose this goal because what? And again, the example is at the bottom. So by May 2021, that's by when. I will read 100 pages. That's what I will do. I will reach my goal by doing what? Reading at least 50 pages a week. Okay, and then that is how often. So 50 pages a week. Okay, and I chose this goal because I need to become a better reader. That's why. All right, and there are some questions here that you could ask yourself to help kind of figure out whether your goal is SMART or not. So is it linked to one activity or one thought? That would make sure it's specific. Measurable, can I plot it on a graph? Can I plot my progress? Can I say how much I've improved from the previous day or week? Can I actually do it? What task or action will I be doing? Can I draw a picture of someone doing that action? Realistic. Are there examples of other people who have achieved this level of success in this amount of time? What are some obstacles I might face along the way? What do these obstacles stop me in my tracks? And then timely. Did I include a set time period in which I want to achieve my goal? Weeks, days, months? It's up to you. Okay, so now that you've gotten that, you're going to go ahead and write your SMART goal, and you're going to submit that under Canvas in assignment 2.1. Okay, once you have done that, the other thing that we are going to do is start reading about growth mindset on Newsela. This also is on Canvas. So as we are working towards making our goals happen, it's helpful to learn about strategies that will help us to do that. Today, you're going to have the opportunity to choose one article to read. While each article is a different topic, they all will help us reflect on ways to improve ourselves and be better students, classmates, and humans. So, to access the articles, you're going to go to your Newsela account through Canvas. Look to the left of the Canvas page, and the blue links will be on the side, and you will click where it says Newsela. There, you should see an assignment called Learning Through Growth Mindset. There are 5 articles, and you will make sure to skim and look over the text features of each one before you decide which one you want to read. Remember, you don't have to read all 5. You only need to read one, but you can read others if you would like. And of course, this 20 minutes you will spend reading on your article can count towards your reading log if you would like it to, which I highly suggest. And of course, the thing you're going to want to do before you read all 5 of the before you read one article in detail is to skim. So as a reminder, skimming is looking for different text features. It's looking for what kind of pictures you see in the article, what kind of bolded words, what kind of things are highlighted or italicized or other formats that have changed in the article. So what pops out at you? So when you're skimming, you want to make sure you're using your skimming skills to figure out what these articles are all about. And take about 2 minutes per article to skim each one. And these, of course, are the titles over here on the left. So, Is the World Scary or Exciting? That's one article. How to Meditate Step by Step is another article. Girls are cyberbullied the most is the third article. It's All About Your Mindset is the fourth article. And Deep Breathing Replaces Detention is the fifth article. So make sure, again, to skim all 5 of those, taking about 2 minutes apiece, so about 10 minutes total. Before you read any article all the way, make sure that you are going to Canvas and choosing the one you would like to read using the Google form. So when you are under Module 2, after you've clicked down, you'll click Next on the bottom right, and it will take you to a Google form, and you will complete that way. Okay, and I will show you really quick what that looks like. So obviously we started here with creating our SMART goal. And here's what I just showed you. You'll submit that here. When you're done submitting, you'll click Next. And this is where we just discussed about growth mindset. You see how it says reading about growth mindset. All the directions about what to do on Newsella are here. And then we'll talk about this part in a second with the 4 details. And then, of course, when you click Next, it's going to take you directly to a Google form that says Learning About Growth Mindset Article Choice. You're going to complete this by typing your name, first and last name, your class period, and which article you chose to read. So one of those 5 articles. Okay. Once you've done that, the next thing you need to make sure you're doing when you're reading the article you picked is to keep a note or document open and record at least 4 key details. These notes are going to be essential for the assignment that we will complete in the next lesson. So again, make sure when you're reading your article, you write down at least 4 key details about that article. And once you have completed this form that I told you about, you may start reading the whole article. And of course, if you're having trouble accessing it on the internet, it's in the offline folder as well. And again, of course, make sure you're recording those 4 key details. They're going to be very important for when we complete the next lesson. And happy reading. And as a quick reminder before I get off of here, I know it's been rainy outside today, but whenever you can, try to get outside, because if your work's done on the phone, you can surely go outside and use it wirelessly, hopefully. If your work involves reading or writing reports, then this too can be done outside. And I don't know if anyone knew this, but on average, kids and adults too spend about 7 hours a day on a screen and only 7 minutes a day outside. So think outside the screen, take some time today to get outside. It makes you healthier, it makes you happier, and it makes you smarter. Have a great rest of your day.